A Kubernetes service is an object which acts as a proxy for one or more pods. Conceptually speaking, when you send a message to a service, the service forwards the message to one of its backing pods. Services provide three core benefits. First off, they act as an abstraction layer, simplifying the process of communicating with pods. Second, each service has a stable cluster IP address which remains unchanged for the life of that service. Third, a service acts as a simple load balancer. All traffic to a service gets spread between its backing pods. For older versions of Kubernetes, the traffic is spread out using a round-robin scheme. On modern Kubernetes, the traffic is spread out randomly. Note that the traffic is distributed at layer 4 of the OSI network model, i.e., services perform basic TCP/UDP packet load balancing.